is getting worse.
We must hurry home.
Praise be to you, Lord of the worlds. Accept my prayers and grant us your mercy.
The rain soaked his clothes and prayer mat, but he continued praying with deep love for Allah.
When someone truly loves Allah, nothing can stop their prayer.
When someone truly loves Allah, nothing can stop their prayer.
From that day on, Yusuf and Amina never delayed their prayers again.
True prayer comes from the heart, and sincere worship brings us closer to Allah.